It's about a girl I kind of dug in high school, but she thought she was really ugly. And I'm like, no, girl, you're cute. It's called Snack.
Kill it.
Here goes. You're so beautiful. You're like an angel. I love watching you dance. You move like you're a mustache. I want to be your man. I want to hold you close. I want to hold your hand when you're by my side and kiss you when you're on my mind. I make you laugh when you start to cry. I don't remember the next line, but sometimes when you laugh, you cover your mouth. You don't like people to see your snaggled teeth. But don't worry, because I love your face. Well, even those imperfections that make you feel kind of ugly.
Kyle, you're fucking cool.
Thank you. Sometimes I feel that way. Alright. Rachel, or shit, not Rachel. You know what? I always think those names because they're humping their ex-boyfriend, and you're like, oh, sweet girl, like, cool. No. Oh no, you gotta, it's like Easter. Okay.
You gotta do that the whole time? Screw that.
Oh, our lives are not what they once were. I will find you alone, looking back on a race for some lover, lacking in all the different places. So hard to personal. You say really twisted undercover. See how they feel that being selfish and selflessness. Never mind, you're alone in your goddamn fishing home. You are back with him. Now I'll find your comfort for comfort legs. You can only hurt and take away. I will destroy all of those things you claim. It takes your time away. You love me far too much to stay. Watching all these chances pass my way. So rapidly they disintegrate. But I'll save you. I can save you. Now you are a gentle piece of bird that will never re-measure my wonders. You can only sleep deep under jerks where you feel warm and comfortable. You sleep and I will still your sleep with what I love to find you deep in thought. You'll remember the pain that you forgot. It all misses you here. I have never been giving you at all. Your dreams have been eaten by alcohol. It grows inside your stomach, and it will slowly destroy all of the walls. So sleep, darling. I will wait. Sleep, darling. Maybe someday we can meet. up. It's a short one. And the rest of them are pretty relatively short. It's about trying to find words to like articulate your complex feelings about a girl who, again, is a dyke. So, right. It's called word search. It's kind of very nice. I prepared a list of words for the things that you'll never be. One that equals funny, attractive, and interesting. Also got a few choice words for the things that you know you are. Regardless of what other people have saw bitter, let's not forget stubborn. And all the things that will never be. You fill a dictionary, and the lies that will never be. Gives a literary, like Huckleberry Finn and shit. And if you search, you find me inside of a library. And if you step outside and look in mine, you'll get lost inside of my library. Library. I have like 3 more. Hopefully a little bit quick. It's not too bad. Yeah. Let's go. Made a skirt from an old tablecloth. Still remember the red checkered pattern. Wanna walk until I get lost, and when I get home, everything will be better. 'Cause you made a skirt from an old tablecloth, and we danced to those Beach Boys songs in your yellow living room with the lights turned off. And that was long before everything went wrong. Hope your new boyfriend thinks it's fucking cute, cause sometimes I wish that I could just chop off that chunk of my life that I wasted on you. I have a girlfriend. So,
I don't have a girlfriend, or I do have
I do have a girlfriend, but you'll find out from the song like how I mean by it. So I'm not gay and I'm not single, but this song kind of explains it, my situation. It's a crappy one, so girl I've ever seen. She talks like a nut. She fucks like a machine. She takes my breath with every time she's near. She meets my needs. She reminds me I'm still here, not alone in my bedroom anymore. I have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend. I have a fucking girlfriend. Just too busy with her own life to hang out with me. I've got a girlfriend. I've got a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend. She's just too busy with her own life to hang out with me. Thanks. That's all I have. Yeah. Thanks for listening, everyone. Silly.
What?
Best time.